In our previous lecture, we covered security automation and SOAR. Today we'll explore purple teaming, a highly effective collaborative practice where offensive and defensive teams unite to build stronger security together. Purple teaming is a collaborative security approach. The red team simulates realistic attacker behavior to test defenses. The blue team detects, investigates, validates, and improves defensive visibility. The overall goal is continuous learning, validation, and operational maturity. In the traditional model, red and blue teams operated in isolation, leading to siloed knowledge and undiscovered gaps. The purple team model promotes open communication and coordinated testing, enabling the blue team to effectively close visibility gaps and improve detections. Purple teaming leverages realistic adversary simulations using the MITRE ATT and CK framework. Common simulations include phishing campaigns, PowerShell abuse, credential dumping, lateral movement, cloud compromise, and ransomware behavior emulation. Detection validation is key to purple teaming, confirming that security detections actually work. We investigate critical questions like, did alerts trigger correctly? Was attacker behavior visible? Could analysts investigate effectively? And where are the detection gaps? Purple teaming is not a one-time exercise. It is a continuous improvement cycle. Teams simulate attacks, analyze the results, validate detections, and then improve their defenses. This iterative process systematically strengthens security maturity over time. Realistic simulations highlight the power of realism. Modern attackers use legitimate tools and stealthy techniques that traditional testing often misses. This includes fileless techniques, legitimate admin tools, stealthy persistence, and credential abuse. Purple teaming helps break down silos and fosters a collaborative security culture. The benefits include shared threat knowledge, operational alignment between teams, stronger defensive coordination, and ultimately, mature cybersecurity operations. Purple teaming is a core pillar of modern cyber resilience. It is applied across various critical domains, including threat hunting, detection engineering, cloud security validation, and incident response readiness. Key takeaways include the importance of red versus blue collaboration and realistic attack simulations. Detection validation and continuous improvement cycles are essential for building resilient enterprise defenses. Next up, cloud detection and response.